Hi, I'm Nicole Petschek, and I support mindset transformation. In other words, helping people shift from being stuck to making real, tangible breakthroughs in their life. Let me ask you, how often have you let a problem take control of your mindset? It clouds your judgment, it limits your options, and it keeps you stuck in the same loop. But what if you could delete that problem from your mind? Enter EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, tapping. It's all the same name it's all different names for the same thing. It's the fastest way to clear out your mind from limiting beliefs, limiting thoughts, and to free your mind for new possibilities, and there are tons of possibilities. When your mind is open, success feels suddenly not just possible, but inevitable. Mental barriers melt away, and you're left with the clarity and the focus to just move forward in the flow. Just forbid your problems to take control of yourself, and download from the link tree above my free EFT workshop and see for yourself how it works for you. It's free.